So actually, let's take a look at our Euro USD for the week. So if you are new and you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Starting on our weekly time frame, you can see the huge movements. By the way, we are actually our euro to our USD is actually falling rapidly. We can see weekly time frame. Our weekly time frame is actually bearish. By the way, it is even below our 10-period moving average. That is to tell you that our euro is actually falling against our USD. Now let's see it now. For this couple of weeks now, we are having a retracement, a pullback area within this area. We can see about last week, our price opens and closed bullish. You see this week, our price actually closing bullish, by the way, a little bit, and this huge week here. So I see my price actually, we see our euro actually come up to hit this our area here where our price break below it. Then I would continue and see this euro USD as a bullish move, except our price comes to tap this level where our price broke below. Then we can now see a fall. If not, we probably continue to be seeing that we might be aiming to go bullish. We might be seeing that bullish. We might be looking at it as a bullish move on our euro USD, except our price come here to tap this area. Our price broke out from. Then we can now see a fall on our euro USD on the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, we would want to be considering a buy on our euro USD. Now let's see it on our daily time frame. We can see our daily time frame. Our daily time frame is actually bearish, by the way, and we are actually having a pullback here, but our price is actually ranging within this area here. There's every likelihood that we would also range within this area this coming weeks if our price does not go break above this resistance level to tap this key level we are aiming for. This was the key level we are actually aiming for. You can see our price came here to tap here, bounce up, come here, tap here, and also bounce up. We would want to see our price come here to hit this level here, then a fall. But if our euro to our USD does not actually break this above this our resistance level, we very much likely to see this ranging markets move on this our euro USD. For some days now, our euro USD is actually ranging. You can see it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That is almost close to 2 weeks now. Our euro USD is actually ranging within this area and very much likely to range within this area. So if you are to take a trade, I will consider we should actually consider trading it within this range, except our price breaks above this resistance a level, tap this our key level we are aiming for, then we possibly might be seeing a fall again on our euro USD. If not, we should actually be ranging with our euro USD. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. If you are to range with it, you can see our price is very much likely going bullish. We saw this pullback. Our price is actually giving us that bullish move again. So we would want to see our euro actually come up to hit this our highs here. We can see this our highs where our price taps and fell, taps and fell. So we would want to see our euro USD come up to tap it and also fall again, whereby it will be giving us a ranging move on our euro USD on our 4-hour time frame.